Coverage of SHOT Show 2019 is brought to you by Olight.
Hi, I'm Joe Flowers, one of the designers for Condor Tool and Knife. We have a new knife this year, a folding knife called the Krakatoa that I personally designed, named after a volcano that erupted way back in the day. Now it's a folding knife made with a 1095 carbon steel blade that has a Scandi grind on it, but on the back, a engineer at Condor named Jorge Yamana wanted to make a really hardcore folding knife. So it has this tiny little Condor lock here. So when pressure is put that way, when this is engaged, instead of being pushed along here where we saw a common breakage in other folding knives, it actually puts the pressure right there and added almost 100 pounds more of force. So we have this one right now more or less clocked in at 350 pounds when we put it in the vise. Before we had that, and before we had the Condor lock, it was at 275. So it's varying, but it's really cool. Really ingenious for Jorge Yamana to be able to think that up. So I'm pretty proud of this whole knife design. That's new for 2019, the Krakatoa.